Hey kids, it's me again, Teacher Annie. And today we're going to make our own Christmas decorations. Add everything we need. White pom-poms, green pom-poms and red pom-poms. You'll also need different polystyrene shapes, any you can find. I found these: double-sided tape, some string, and your scissors. Easy, right?
Ho, ho,
Let's
ho.
craft. First, take your polystyrene ball. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape. Paste it to the top of the ball. Then you paste your string. Cut double-sided tape. Now it's time to add the pom-poms. And then add the pom-poms. Continue until the ball is covered with pom-poms. Good job, kids! Excellent! We want to cover all the white spots. We're almost there. You can use any pom-poms you like. White, red, or any color that's your favorite. You did a really nice job today. I'll see you again soon for some more fun arts and crafts. Goodbye!